नमस्ते जेवियंस। खुश रहो बिटिया। I जेवियन प्रीति सिंह, फैकल्टी ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. Today I will discuss about the topic distribution records. Distribution records topic belong to the quality assurance subject for the B Farm 6th semester students. Firstly, we will discuss about the distribution process. Distribution process is a written procedure. Distribution process is a written procedure shall be established and followed. Describing the distribution of drug product, they shall include a procedure whereby the oldest approved stock of a drug product is distributed first. A system by which the distribution of each lot of drug product can be readily determined to facilitate its recall if necessary. Distribution record must be constructed and procedure established to facilitate the recall of defective product. Manufacturer must maintain record of all distribution transactions involving in process of finished goods. All records should be indexed by either manufacturing batch lot number of the packaging control number as a means of accountability until the shipment passes from the direct control of the manufacturer. The distribution process also include other consideration. It must be arranged so that first out movement of product occurs. These requirements is consistent with the intent of the stability and expiration dating policy. Active pharmaceutical ingredients should only be released for distribution to third parties after they have been released by the quality unit. Active pharmaceutical ingredients may be transferred under quarantine to another unit under the company's control when authorized by the quality unit and providing appropriate controls and documentation are in place. Active pharmaceutical ingredients should be transported in a manner that does not adversely affect their quality. Spatial transport or storage conditions for an active pharmaceutical ingredient should be stated on the label. The active pharmaceutical ingredients manufacturer should ensure that the contractor for transportation of the active pharmaceutical ingredients knows and follows the appropriate transport and storage conditions. A system should be placed by which the distribution of each batch of intermediate and active pharmaceutical ingredient can be readily determined to permit its recall. Now we come to the distribution record. Mainly, distribution record shall contain the name and strength of the product and description of the dosage form, name and address of the product, and date and quantity shipment, and lot or control number of the drug product. For compressed medical gas product distribution record are not required to contain lot or control numbers. The primary purpose of this section is to ensure that adequate data are available to access trade customers should a recall be initiated. Distribution records include a wide range of documentation such as invoices, bill of lading customers, receipts, and internal warehouse storage and inventory records. The information required need not be on every document. Also, customer codes and product codes may be used as alternate to customer name and address and product name. Records for distribution shall be maintained in a manner such as finished batch of drug can be traced to the retained level of facilitate prompt and complete recall of the batch if and when necessary. Handling of returns goods. Finished product may be returned to the company or its authorized nominees for one or the other reason. Such returned good may either be destroyed or reconditioned and made it for use. Clear guidelines in this regard must therefore exist and be followed. Head of quality control shall be primarily responsible to formulate detailed procedure for dealing with the handling of return good and implement of this product. For each return, documentation should include name and address of the uh, product, intermediate of active pharmaceutical ingredient, batch number and quality return, reason for return, and use or disposal of the returned intermediate or API. Returned drug products shall be identified as such as held. If the conditions under which returned drug product have been held, stored or shipped before, before or during their return, or if condition of the drug product is contained or labeling. Product returned from the market should be destroyed unless it is certain that their quality is satisfactory. In such cases, they may be considered for resale and relabeling or alternative action taken only after they have been critically assessed by the quality control function in accordance with the written procedure. Recovery and reprocessing material. Introducing an intermediate of active pharmaceutical ingredients, including one that does not conform to standard or specifications, back into the process, and reprocessing by repeating a crystallization step or other appropriate chemical or physical manipulation steps. Example: distillation, filtration, chromatography, milling, that are part of the established manufacturing process is generally considered acceptable. If such reprocessing is used for a majority of batches, such reprocessing should be included as part of the standard manufacturing process. Such reprocessing should be proceed by careful evaluation to ensure that the quality of the intermediate or active pharmaceutical ingredient is not adversely affected due to the potential formation of byproduct and overreacted materials. Fresh and recovered solvent and reagents can be combined if adequate testing has shown their suitability for a manufacturing process in which they may be used. So this is the complete session of distribution record for the quality assurance unit. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students, and thank you for the